there will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
Different opinions exist regarding the potential outcomes of AI. Some envision an utopian future where humans are freed from work and can fully enjoy their lives pursuing their hobbies and passions, while others fear a scenario where artificial intelligence becomes dominant and threatens its creators, similar to Skynet in the Terminator movies. However, one thing is certain: AI will have a profound and lasting impact on our lives. As a result, it is crucial for society to actively engage in shaping this technology collectively. Welcome Zeitgeist, where we dive deep into topics with the power to change your life and reshape our society. Each month, we tackle thought-provoking and often polarizing issues in politics and society, sparking meaningful discussions and challenging the status quo. Stay tuned until the end of each video, where we invite you to share your thoughts, making your voice an essential part of the conversation. Artificial intelligence has swiftly advanced from early theoretical concepts and simple algorithms to sophisticated systems capable of executing complex tasks across various domains. The initial developments in AI were centered on problem-solving and symbolic reasoning, weak AI, which led to breakthroughs in machine learning and neural networks. The introduction of ChatGPT by OpenAI marked a significant milestone in AI, showcasing advanced natural language processing capabilities. This achievement has demonstrated, in some aspects, the feasibility of achieving a general-purpose AI. The advancement of artificial intelligence holds great potential for progress in the coming years, as AI systems are expected to outperform humans in various areas like data analysis, pattern recognition, and automated decision-making. With ongoing developments, there is a possibility that AI may eventually surpass human intelligence, demonstrating superior abilities in fields like scientific research, complex problem-solving, and social interactions that go beyond human capabilities. This development could bring about unprecedented innovations and solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, as Nick Bostrom discusses in his book, Superintelligence, the rise of superhuman AI could lead to an intelligence explosion where AI rapidly and uncontrollably improves itself. This explosion could create entities with cognitive abilities vastly superior to human intelligence, posing both extraordinary opportunities and significant existential risks. Ensuring these superintelligent AIs align with human values and ethics is crucial to harnessing their potential benefits. The path to this future requires meticulous planning, robust safety protocols, and international collaboration to safeguard humanity's interests and well-being. Let's dive deeper into the possible negative consequences regarding the implementation of AI in society. As AI continues to advance, one of the most pressing concerns is the potential for massive job losses across various industries, leading to widespread unemployment. Historian and philosopher Noah Yuval Harari often talks about the concept of the useless class, where large segments of the population could become economically obsolete due to automation. He states it as follows.
Yeah, one of the biggest dangers with this new technology is that, a lot of jobs will disappear. People will need to retrain themselves. If you can't do it, the danger is you fall down to a new class, not unemployed, but unemployable, the useless class.
Even the International Monetary Fund (IMF) has issued warnings to industrialized nations like Germany about the massive disruptions AI could bring to labor markets and the possibility of massive unrest in society. As AI technologies continue to evolve, entire industries may face significant changes, potentially leading to widespread job displacement. It is not just industrialized countries like Germany that need to prepare for massive job disruptions. Non-industrialist nations, which often rely heavily on low-skilled, labor-intensive jobs, are at significant risk. These jobs are the most susceptible to automation, and their loss could have devastating consequences. Imagine increased unemployment and economic instability spreading across these regions, exacerbating poverty and widening the gap between the rich and the poor. This kind of disruption limits opportunities for social and economic advancement, making it even harder for these countries to catch up on the global stage. What's even more concerning is that many non-industrialist nations lack the resources to invest in education and retraining programs. This means they could struggle to adapt their workforces to the new technological landscape, further hindering their development and global competitiveness. The economic instability and widespread unemployment caused by AI-induced job losses in non-industrialist nations could also trigger mass migration as people seek better opportunities elsewhere. This migration can strain resources and infrastructure in neighboring countries and create social and political tensions. Additionally, the loss of human capital can hinder the development and recovery efforts in the countries of origin, trapping them in a cycle of poverty and underdevelopment. These are just some of the possible negative outcomes of artificial intelligence on society. Write down in the comments other possible negative outcomes that could appear by introducing AI in various fields. In addition to the adverse effects on the future of employment, numerous experts argue that this technology offers substantial benefits in the long run. It is certain that artificial intelligence will have a significant impact on our productivity levels, like the agricultural or industrial revolution in the past. With the help of this technology, we would be able to produce more in less time with lower resources needed. This could potentially mean that consumers could get more and better products and services for lower prices. This would not only implicate that society in general gets richer, but also every single person that lives in this society. Regardless of personal points of view on consumerism, better and faster processes in various industries usually benefit economies tremendously. Computer scientist, investor, and entrepreneur Kai-Fu Lee argues that AI has the potential to benefit individuals significantly by replacing repetitive and not enjoyable tasks. This would mean that especially jobs that include high levels of creativity would be much more enjoyable. He is aware that jobs will disappear that can be easily automated, but he argues that society can create more purposeful and compassionate jobs, especially jobs that involve direct human interactions.
So there you have it, a blueprint of coexistence for humans and AI. AI is serendipity. It is here to liberate us from routine jobs, and it is here to remind us what it is that makes us human. So let us choose to embrace AI and to love one another. Thank you.
Data shows that AI will change many aspects of our daily lives. Therefore, it is crucial to think about possible solutions to at least minimize negative impacts on society. There are many possible solutions to solve the most pressing issues caused by AI. We will present to you the most famous solution proposed by many researchers and experts. If you have other ideas for relevant solutions, please feel free to write your idea in the comments section below. Universal Basic Income, or UBI, is a financial system where all citizens receive a regular, unconditional sum of money from the government, regardless of their income or employment status. The goal of UBI is to provide a safety net that ensures that everyone can meet their basic needs, fostering financial security and reducing poverty. It also aims to empower individuals to pursue education, innovation, and entrepreneurial endeavors without the immediate pressure of financial survival. Some advocates for the implementation of UBI are Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, Andrew Yang, an American businessman, attorney, and politician, and Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI.
You have been a proponent of UBI, Universal Basic Income. In the context of AI, can you describe your philosophy there of our human future with UBI?
I think it is a component of something we should pursue. It is not a full solution. I think people work for lots of reasons besides money. And I think we are going to find incredible new jobs, and society as a whole and people's individuals are going to get much, much richer. But as a cushion through a dramatic transition, and as just like, I think the world should eliminate poverty if able to do so. I think it's a great thing to do.
I think you all know that I've always felt the 9 most terrifying words in the English language are, I'm from the government and I'm here to help.
Should we as a society really solely rely on politicians and the government to solve existential threats, or should we take action as individuals and shape our own future? We invite you to delve deeper into the subject of AI to actively contribute to shaping this future. In the next video, we will introduce you to the fundamentals of AI, and we will provide you valuable sources for educating yourself on this topic. Afterwards, we will present to you other important aspects that should be considered when implementing AI on a global scale. To express your thoughts, opinions, and concerns about AI, please click on the link in the description and take part in our survey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed about the survey results, which will be shared by the end of the month. Your voice matters.